Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Naila Iqbal. I am from BS Chemistry Department and my ID is 015. The topic of my presentation is superconductors. Superconductors. Material which loses all electrical resistance below characteristic temperature is known as superconductor. That temperature is known as the superconducting transition temperature TC. This means that, unlike the more familiar conductors such as copper or steel, a superconductor can carry a current indefinitely without losing any energy. Discovery. Heike Kamerlingh owns Nobel Prize for Physics in 1913, discovered superconductivity in Leiden in 1911 when he cooled mercury in the temperature of liquid helium. He found that mercury loses electrical resistance when cooled with liquid helium. More than 60,000 are known now. Prominent examples of superconductors include aluminium, niobium, magnesium, diboroid cuprates such as yttrium, barium, copper oxide, and iron nitrides. Mercury fall. This is the graph between temperature and electrical resistance. This shows that electrical resistance of mercury falls to zero at its superconducting transition temperature 4.2 Kelvin. Until 1986, the recorded value of Tc was only 23 Kelvin for niobium germanium. In 1986, when K. Alex Muller and J. George Bednorz reported a value 35 Kelvin for Tc for non-stoichiometric barium lanthanum copper oxide, X value about 0.1. Soon higher values found by scientists by other copper congene oxides, 90 Kelvin for yttrium barium cuprate. These values was completely unexpected. Most metal oxides, non-metallic inorganic solid ceramics are electrical insulators. For discovering ceramic superconductor, Muller and Bednorz was awarded by Nobel Prize. The crystal structure of yttrium barium cuprate called 1,2,3 compound. This is a computer graphic representation of the crystal structure of yttrium barium cuprate. This is the one unit cell structure of yttrium barium cuprate. The crystals contain parallel planes of Y. Two-thirds of copper atoms are surrounded by a pyramid of 5 oxygen atoms. The maintaining of copper atoms are surrounded by square of 4 atoms, two of which shared by neighboring CuO4. Copper atoms have fraction oxidation number of plus 2.33. Copper and oxygen atoms and fraction oxidation number of copper atoms play important role in current flow. But accepted theory of superconductivity in ceramics superconductor is not yet available. Properties. Ability to levitate a magnet. When a superconductor cools below its Tc and a magnet is lowered toward it, superconductor and magnet repel each other and a magnet hovers above the superconductor as though suspended in mid-air. This is a levitation of a magnet above a pellet of yttrium barium cuprate cooled to 77 Kelvin with liquid nitrogen. Yttrium barium cuprate becomes a superconductor at approximately 90 Kelvin. Meissner effect. When a magnet moves toward a superconductor, it induces a supercurrent. Magnet stops moving. The supercurrent in turn induces a magnetic field in the superconductor that cancels the field of magnet. The net magnetic field in the bulk superconductor is zero. This phenomenon is called Meissner effect. Applications of Meissner effect. High-speed magnetically levitated trains such as one now operating system in Shanghai, China. A maglev train is now in commercial operation in Shanghai, China, running at 430 km per hour. Common applications of superconductors. Powerful superconducting magnets are used in MRI instruments, medical diagnosis. Also used to manufacture the magnet which bend the charged particles in high energy particle accelerators. Applications use non-conventional superconductors cooled at 4.2 Kelvin with helium liquid. High temperature superconductors are brittle powder with high melting points, so easily fabricated into wires and coils needed for electrical equipment. Commercial application of superconductors are beginning to emerge. Superconducting thin films are used in microwave filter, cell phone base station. Now 1 kilometer in length wires are available commercially. Fullerene based superconductors, allotropy of carbon 60 molecules. Fullerene based superconductor. This is a portion of one unit cell of the face-centered cubic structure of K3C60 viewed perpendicular to a cubic face. The C60 ions are located at the cube corners and face centers, and the K positive ions are in two kinds of holes between the carbon 60 ions. These potassium ions lay in the plane of the cube face and are surrounded octahedrally by six C60 ions. These uh, potassium ions lay in a plane one-fourth of a cell edge length below the plane of the paper and are surrounded tetrahedrically by four C60 ions. Recently discovered superconductors. Fluorine-doped lanthanum oxide iron arsenide superconductors at 26 Kelvin discovered by Tokyo Institute of Technology in February 2008. That's all from my side. Thank you.